everyone, welcome back. I hope that you all are perfectly fine. In this video, we're going to learn how to turn off keyboard sound on iPhone. So let's learn how to do so. For that, first we need to go to settings. Now scroll down and click on sound and haptics. Here it is. You can see sound and haptics. When you scroll down, here is keyboard feedback. Click on to that. As you can see right now, it is on sound option. Click on to that and simply disable this sound bar and you will be good to go. Now if your phone is on ringer mode, then also your keyboard will not make any sound while typing. So I hope this is going to be informative for you and you will get the solution of your problem. So thank you so much and may you all have a great day and good to go.